In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get DuckDuckGo search engine to Zen Browser. If you're looking for a quick privacy boost and a cleaner search experience, switching your default search engine to DuckDuckGo is a simple change that makes a big difference. We'll walk through it together in just a minute, and I'll explain what each option means so you know exactly what you're changing and why. First, open the Zen browser. Make sure you're in your main browser window and not another app. You should see your tabs across the top and the address bar where you usually type websites or search terms. That address bar is important because it's where this setting will take effect. Next, click the menu icon, the three vertical dots usually found in the top right corner of the browser window. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens the control center for Zen where you can customize how the browser behaves. If the Settings tab opens in a new window or a new tab, that's normal, just continue there. Inside Settings, look for the section called Search. It's typically listed in the sidebar with other categories like General or Privacy. Click Search to open the search preferences. This page controls what happens anytime you type a word or a question directly into the address bar rather than going to a search website first. Now find the option labeled Search Engine used in the address bar. This is the key setting. It tells Zen which search engine to use automatically when you press Enter after typing in the address bar. Open the drop-down or selection list beside it and choose DuckDuckGo. As soon as you select it, Zen updates your default. There's no need to restart the browser or save anything. The change applies immediately. That's it, your searches will now use DuckDuckGo. From now on, whenever you type a query into the address bar and hit enter, Zen will send that search to DuckDuckGo by default. This is great if you prefer a search engine that focuses on straightforward results and privacy-minded features. If you ever want to switch back or try a different engine, just return to the same search section in settings and pick another option the same way. A quick note, the wording or layout in settings can vary slightly with updates, but the search section and this default engine control are standard. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the main search page within settings. You're all set. Enjoy private, distraction light searching with DuckDuckGo and Zen Browser.